tackling paralysis one step at a time. Many scientists are working on treatments for spinal cord injury, and now Swiss researchers are reporting success with their technique in training injured rats to walk again. In an experiment reported in Friday's issue of the journal Science, they injected a chemical mix into the base of the animal's spine, then stimulated spinal nerve circuits with electricity before putting the rat in a harness for some physical training. It took 2 to 3 weeks for the rats to step voluntarily.
Over time, the animal regains the capacity to perform 1-2 steps and then long run, and eventually a paralyzed rat regains the capacity to sprint over ground, climb stairs.
The treatment produced an extensive rewiring in the brain and the spinal cord. But it's one thing to see it work in rats and quite another to get it going in people, according to British neurosurgeon Peter HAMLYN.
You have to translate this from a very simple model of spinal cord injury in a beastie that is very capable of recovery, a rat, into a much more complicated nervous system, our own. And that's a huge hurdle.
Still, researcher GREGOIRE COURTINE believes his technique may someday help some human patients too. David Mazzei, an athlete now paraplegic after landing on his head doing somersaults, is working hard himself to prove COURTINE right. Karen Sloan, The Associated Press.